Let's say you and your family went to a restaurant. You had a very nice meal. You enjoyed the food, enjoyed the ambience, enjoyed the dessert, enjoyed the starters, and you had a very nice, wonderful experience. But you know what is the secret behind all this? Now, what you actually had, the dinner or the food or the dessert or the ice cream or the starters, is actually the front end. What comes onto your table is your front end. The ambience, the table, the service. But behind the front end, what actually magic is working is at the back end. That is where the real magic actually happens. Because at the back end, the chef is very responsible. At the back end, he uses the right recipe, the right ingredients, in the right heating, in the right place, at the right time, and he arranges properly. And that's how it comes to your table in a beautiful, beautiful setting. In life, if anything is good from the front, you understand behind that a lot of work has been done. All of you use WhatsApp. If you're having a lot of good experience how to use WhatsApp, it's because back end they've done a lot of work. You may be on Facebook. If you love using Facebook, at the back end, Mark Zuckerberg and his team have done a lot of work. If you use PowerPoints for your presentation in your office, if you actually create a wonderful presentation, that's because at the back end, Bill Gates and the Microsoft team created excellent work they have done to create wonderful PowerPoints for us. That back end reflects in our front end. A student who prepares and does very well in his exams, it looks as if he has come first in the class or in the college or the university. But behind that, in the back end, he has done so much of work. Because listened to the classes, clarified doubts, went to the library, referred, so many things you would have done at the back end. And that's why the front end is magical, because the back end is very carefully done. In our life, if you want to see good things happening in the front end, make sure the back end is done properly. If you look at somebody who's very fit, very vibrant, very healthy, you may say, wow, you became very fit. But behind that, at the back end, he's done a lot of work. He slept properly, had the proper diet, did the proper exercise. He put his mindset in the right frame of mind, and so on and so forth. Similarly, if your sister or you're getting married or somebody in your family is getting married, you go to a jewelry shop and you find exquisite jewelry displayed there. Behind that is the back end, where that goldsmith did a lot of intricate work with a lot of passion, a lot of hard work. They have done it, and that back end creates this particular front end. In life, if you want great results, the front end has to be magical. For the front end to be magical, the back end has to be taken care of very well. So if you want better results in life, whether it's in your school, college, etc., or in your business, or in your employment, or in your profession, take care of the back end, and then you can also take care of the front end. So taking care of back end doesn't mean you should neglect the front end. Restaurant is very good, everything is nice, but if the front end service is not good, cleanliness is not there, even then it's going to backfire. So front end is also important, but the most important thing here is the back end. You know, there are chat centers in various cities and all that. They're very popular. The front end may not be great, but it is so tasty, people continue to flock to their particular chat center, because the back end is taken care of well. But if the front end is also taken care of, your business will multiply. Similarly, for a student, if the back end is taken care of, the front end will multiply, because you'll get better ranks, better opportunities in colleges, better jobs, and so on and so forth. That's the reason why for everything, the back end is the foundation for the front end, for an overall better picture to come out. And that's how we create great results in life.